Hey guys, Matt Fernandez here. I'm here with Hummel Aircraft Co. and we're about to learn all about their new Multi Cruiser, and I think you guys are really going to like it. Hey Don, thanks so much for agreeing to show us your new aircraft. It looks awesome. Not often that you see a multi here in the light sport market or experimental market. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure, yeah. So this is the Hummel Multi Cruiser. This is based on the time-proven Ultra Cruiser. Ultra Cruiser's been around for about 25 years. We've taken the Ultra Cruiser airframe, which is a Part 103 compliant ultralight, so no license required. Typically it's a single engine, but the heart of aviation is experimentation, so we thought it would be really cool to put two engines on it. So that's what we did. This Multi Cruiser, we call it, is a two-engine Part 103 ultralight. No license or training is officially required. It is highly recommended. This is a two-stroke combination of engines here. They're Simonini Mini 4s. They're 23 horsepower apiece. It's a oil and fuel mixture from the cell fuel tanks, travels down the fuel line to the carburetor. Propellers are counter-rotating. The downward moving blade is on the inside. There is no critical engine by the FAA's definition. Being Part 103 ultralight, of course, no training is required, but we've done everything in our power from a design standpoint to try to make this the easiest and safest airplane to fly. And the vertical stabilizer are about 20% bigger, so that helps counter any adverse yaw. And this is offered as kit and plans for sale today, shipping the first of the year, 2027.
And what's the cost of these if I was to try and buy exactly this?
If you were to buy a kit for the Multi Cruiser, the kit would be about $30,000. I think the exact number is $30,750. And the engine package for that, engines are not included as in the kit price. The engine package for that is $7,400. That includes the engines, carburetors, propellers, reduction drive, basically everything you would need to fly. You'd be less than $40,000 and you'd have your own brand new multi-engine airplane.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for showing us around. I'll take a quick view of the specs here. Is there anything you want to tell us in addition to what you've already told us? Sure.
The airplane is equipped with a ballistic airframe parachute. It's a nitrogen charge. So our maximum empty weight for that is 278. This airplane weighs in at 276 pounds. It is ultralight compliant. So if you don't have a license, you could build this and fly this. Again, recommending training. Any experience in multi-engine aircraft is highly recommended.
And here I'm looking at your stats. It's 5 gallons of fuel capacity. What's the fuel burn on this per side?
We anticipate the fuel burn to be somewhere between about a gallon to a gallon and a half an hour cumulative, so it's between both engines. So you're about 2.5 hours comfortable fuel burn, which is longer than my bladder lasts, so works out pretty good.
It's perfect for the $100 hamburger here with 2 engines, a huge safety aspect added to it. Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, of course.